Okay, well friends, let's start. Which one of these two is rhino? Well done, friends. The right one is rhino. Which one of these two animals is antelope? Yes, that's true. The left one is antelope. Which one of these two animals is giraffe? Bravo! The right one is giraffe. Now let's change the game a bit.
Spinky.
Can you guess the animals just from their sounds? So, which one of these two animals has that voice? That's correct. That's the lion's voice. Which one of these two animals has this sound? Well done. That's elephant. So, friends, which one of these two animals has this sound? That's perfect. It's zebra. You were all great. You did a great job. Oh, which one is the crab? Yeah, the one on the left. Which one is the shark? You got it. The one on the right is shark. And which one is the octopus? That's right. The left one is octopus. So, which one is the dolphin? Correcto! Left side again. Which one is the starfish? Perfect! It's the one on the left. And the last one. Which one is the big blue whale? Right answer! It's the big one on the right. You did amazing! I'm so proud of you all! Here we go! Which one of these two is the cow? Great job! The one on the right is the cow! And which one of these animals is the horse? Awesome! That's the horse! And now, which one of these two animals is chicken? Yes, that's right! Well done! Aha! I have an idea! Let's change the game a little!
Spinky.
Can you guess the animals just by their sounds? That's awesome! Are you ready, Spinky? Friends, what animal do you think makes this sound? Great! That's the sound of a pig. Let's see what's next. What about this sound? Farm animal is it? That's correct. That's the sound of a sheep. And here comes the final question. Which animal makes this sound? Yes, it's a donkey! You were amazing, everyone. I'm so proud of you. Hey, let's start. So, which one is the penguin? That's right. The one on the right is the penguin. Which one is the polar bear? Great job! The one on the left is the polar bear. Which one is the walrus? Correcto! The walrus is on the left. And here is the last one. Can you find the seal? Yeah! The seal is on the right. That's it. You were amazing, friends. Great job for remembering all the animals. What do you think, Spinky?
Spinky, Spinky.
Dear friends, see you next time. Bye. Tiny Monster, Spinky.